Hello everyone, welcome back to Tina Tutorials. Today we're going to have some fun with Adobe Express Logo Maker, diving into how quick and simple it is to create a logo that really speaks to your brand's identity. First step, go to Adobe Express Logo Maker and click on Create Now. This is where you start by entering your business name, what your business does in terms of the industry, and if you have one, your slogan. Next, you will choose the style that best fits your brand's personality. Options include minimal, bold, elegant, or organic. This choice sets the tone for your logo, but don't worry too much about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always revisit this step. If you want to add an icon to your logo, the next step allows you to choose from a variety of options. If an icon doesn't fit your vision, feel free to skip this step. Moving on, you select a logo template. Adobe Express offers a range of templates that you can further customize. This is your opportunity to play around with different fonts and colors until you find the right one for your brand. For even more customization, you can always open your design in Adobe Express by clicking on Open in Adobe Express. Here you can search for additional icons, design assets, and templates to make your logo truly unique. This is also where you can adjust colors and typography to fine-tune your design. Once you're satisfied with your logo, and if it has the background that you don't want, remove the background to achieve a transparent look. Downloading your logo as a .png file maintains its transparency. Remember, the best logo is the one that tells your brand's story at a glance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Thank you again for watching and see you next time.